Hey everybody. So far so good. We've got this half is already in place. I'm getting ready to spray the glue in here and start working this other side. You see what it looks like here. It's so far so good. I mean, there's no, it's stuck. We stretched it out real good. You can see what I'm talking about here. These places where it gathers together, especially in the tight places. Now, seeing as this stuff only stretches in one direction, what you need to do is if you have any knowledge or experience with an English wheel or a shrinker stretcher, if you've done any sheet metal work, you know that because we can stretch it this way, but it doesn't really want to stretch this way, the material. What we do is to make it stretch this direction, we stretch it this way first, and it's inch by inch, little bits at a time. You want to hurry up and just throw it on, but you don't. I've done these, man. I don't know. This is probably fourth, fifth one I've done. And you learn as you go. This glue is pretty forgiving, and like I said, after a while, years or whatever, from it sitting in the sun at the track or whatever, the high stretch areas will pop loose. There's just no way around it other than using probably better glue or a better material that's thicker that won't soak everything up. But that's it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bit down, and then I'll bring you some more footage, and then I'll show you how we trim and glue the edges over as well. So that's it. Gonna get busy here and finish it up. Hope y'all are enjoying your barbecue. I haven't had mine yet, but we'll bring you some of that in a while too. God bless y'all.